Guys, good morning. I'm inside the 2026 Ford Territory Hybrid Titanium X. Pinakita ko na rin tong instrumentation panel or cluster. At least yan, makikita nyo yung some signs ay naandyan like ito. Yan po. Ibig sabihin, we need to add air po sa isang side ng tire namin. Chineko, it's on the right side. Tapos, ayan o, makita mo handbrake, and then the you will see 488 kilometers. Yan yung marireach nung gas and combination ng electric motor. Alright? Tapos, yung total kilometer driven is 1,667. Sige, punta tayo dun sa frequently asked question, no? Laging tinatanong ng mga customer every time na re-release ako. Punta tayo sa vehicle setting. And then, vehicle safety. Makikita nyo rin dito ang daming safety features ng Territory. Sa vehicle safety pa lang to. Hill descent, traction, cruise, adaptive na to, comfort braking. Pag tinaas mo pa, ayan, madami po siya. If you have any question, just let me know po sa YouTube channel ko. Ito yung laging tinatanong every time na magre-release ako, ano yung comfort braking? Ayan. Yung comfort braking po is to minimize po the nose dive of the vehicle. Pag biglang pumreno ka, and then ang tendency kasi nung iba is yuyuko yung harap. So ito po nami-minimize yun. Andun pa rin yung comfort pag nag-brake po. Yun po, malaking bagay po yun. Yun yung laging tinatanong. Pag inano kasi to, pinress mo tong I is for information eh. Nakikita nila yan. Ano yan? Ano yung parang nasa cage yan? Ayan o, deliver smoother braking, minimizing pitching during the decelerations in non-emergency situation. This function can be turned off or on while your vehicle is stationary or traveling at speed of about 50. So yun po, yan ang laging natatanong. Pero ipakita ko na rin sa inyo ibang safety niya, yung body set.